Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, today I will share with you how to use sugar pan topwater lure. And because now it's about 4:30, so it's maybe half an hour with very dark. So normally at the evening I would like to use sugar pan, topwater lure to search on the top water. So yeah, how to use the topwater is very easier. Just move and stop, move and stop, small move, but you need to make big actions. When you pull the lure, just suddenly pull and capture the attention from the fish. So this is the sugar pan is where is it? It's about 10 grams. So my leader is 8 pounds. The P number is 0.8. 0.8 is about 15 pounds. And the reel is Dewa EX 2004C, and the rod is Dewa Steez King Bot. It's very nice fishing gear. So everything is nice. So let's try if you can get something. Yes. Okay, look at this fish. It's a tailor. Use the topwater, 10 grams. Just cast and then got this tailor. This looks good. Beautiful. Thank you. Bye. Yes. No. Nearly. Yes. 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 Oh. Yes. Oh no. It's gone. Oh yes. Got it. Yeah. Oh. Got it. Come here. Oh. Yes. Oh no. It's stuck on the stone. Yes, got another one. It's a topwater. It's a good one. Okay, nice one. Thank you. Okay, now it's 5 o'clock. I'm fishing from 4:30 and half an hour. Use topwater. Sugar pan, 10 grams. silver color. So got 2 tailors, 2 nice size tailor. It's very good. Yeah. So today, they are very lucky. Yeah. The second tailor destroyed everything. Leader and some PE. The P9 should be damaged because it is twinsed on the rock. Yeah, so okay, that's fine. I can't keep cast. If I cast, it will lost the lure and broken line. So that's all for today. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time.